Okay, so with the new motherboard inside, I went on the website, the community version for the firmware. Okay, I'm gonna put the link below. So I went on the website, the community version firmware, the release 6. You just scroll all the way down. Okay, it's better that you read if you haven't, read that first, but I already read it prior. So, but anyway, you go all the way down, and in my case, for the new motherboard that came from Creality, the version 1.1.0.3 stuff, you will want to put in the 4, this last one, okay, version 4.5.3. So that's the one that I chose. So once you download it, you can open it up, unzip it. Once you unzip it, you grab this one right here. Okay, you grab this one right here, and then you just drag in inside your card. I use the stock card that came from Creality. It works for me. The only thing that I did, I just formatted to DOS FAT32, and I was good. And then inside the same folder, you will also see this one, which is for the touch screen. The touch screen, you double click, you open it up, and you open this one, and you want to copy this folder, the Dwayne set, all together into your micro SD card that will go inside the screen. So here's the screen. I already unscrew it out. You will probably have to do so the same thing. You will disconnect this cable over here, right? And then you will have also this cap that will be on the back of it. You will unscrew that, and once you unscrew it, you will see that you have right here, right inside here, you have a slot for a SD card, a micro SD card. So that's where your micro SD card goes in. It actually goes this way. It actually goes like this way. So what I did, I'm using a 16 gigabyte, but in Windows you have the ability to shrink it and then just allocate only 8 gigabyte. That's what I did. By doing so, it works fine, and I'm able to use the allocated 8 gigabyte in order to do my flashing. So this is the screen to flash the screen. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on. Once you turn on, that's what's gonna happen. I will speed up a little bit. So there you go. I got everything loaded up. As you can see over here, I'm using the version 4.5.3 community firmware, and I was able to load up everything. So I'm gonna shut down now the printer. And I will need now to insert the SD card to flash the motherboard.